calculating the free operating cash flow. So this was the first step. That's where what we did. We added the depreciation, amortization, and provision, and minus the income tax to the amount of the current operating income. And then what we did, then we made the adjustment to the figure of operating cash flow by making adjustment for the increase in the capex or sale of the fixed assets, and also changes in the working capital to arrive at the current free cash flow. To have even bigger understanding, remember what we can do. We can do all these calculations in one single sheet instead of doing in 3 sheets. So if we have to calculate our free operating cash flow, what do? We start with the current operating income. Current operating income, remember, as we discussed earlier, is your COI, and it is also known as EBIT, earning before interest and tax. So what we do, to the figure of current operating income, we will, is just extension, depreciation and amortization we will add, provisions also we will add for the reasons that I have explained to you. Income tax we will minus because that money is going to go out from the business. And now we will make the other adjustments as we discussed in our previous discussion. So we will make adjustment in case there is an increase in the capital expenditure, reduce it from the figure of current operating income. In case we have sold some assets, add the cash that you are getting from the sale of the assets to the figure of current operating income, and then make adjustment for the changes in the working capital components. And which are the working capital components? The working capital components are the trade receivables, trade payable, and inventories. So when you make all these adjustments, what you get in the bottom is your current free operating cash flow. And I'm sure you will remember what is the significance of current free operating cash flow. The significance of the current free cash flow is so much of cash is available now with you. You can use it for anything that you want to use it for. You will have to use it compulsorily for repaying the debt. You will have to use it compulsorily for you will have to use it compulsorily for making your debt payment. And after making the debt payment, then you can decide how much should I use of this free cash flow, free operating cash flow in my hand for the purpose of organic growth and for the purpose of inorganic growth. So this is how, friends, we will calculate the free operating cash flow. So what I have done with you so far, I've explained to you as to for any business how is the cash profit is important. For any business, how it is necessary that everyone working in the organization has to have a clear understanding of cash profit. How everybody in a business has to have the understanding that everyone has to be focused on generating cash profit. That means profit which is earned and is also available in the form of cash profit. So this is what it is as far as the calculation of free operating cash flow is concerned. If there is any doubt, any question, please go ahead. Else we will go to the next item. And again, this is a separate format which is nothing but a variation of the earlier formats that we have used. So any question, any doubt, please go ahead.